Hey, hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about the Age of Gangs. This is a new NFT project, very nice website. Overall, it's crazy. Firstly, when I opened the website, I was kind of confused on what's going on, but right now, actually it looks amazing. So that being said, let's just hop right in the video. So hopping onto the website at theageofgangs.io. We have the gentlemen also know how to fight. We have the whitelist over here. The overall website looks amazing and very nice. You guys can see over here the characters. If we click on the whitelist, it's going to scroll us a bit down over to the pre-sale of 1,500 NFTs. After that, we're going to have a first round of 3,000 NFTs, second round 2,500 NFTs, and third round 2,500 NFTs. All of these will be announced soon after the pre-sale. So the pre-sale is going to start in 9 days. So if we click on whitelist, it's going to pop up on a Gleam. Just go over here, log in with Gmail, I don't know, Telegram or any other. Put in your full name, email address, and your ERC20 address just by going to MetaMask and grabbing your address. So that's on the Ethereum mainnet. So after that, just click on continue and do these tasks. So follow them on Twitter, retweet, join the Age of Gangs Discord server, invite 2 friends, join the official Telegram channel, and join the official Telegram chat. So very easy, and you can also get some extra points for referring friends. And so we can see over here that the whitelist will be open on the December 8th 2021, and it's going to be closing at December 24th 2021. So in 9 days from the time of recording. Very easy steps to do. So if we take a look over to the website, it looks amazing. We have the gangster over here, as you guys can see in the thumbnail whenever you guys clicked. I have put in this guy and the other guy. So yeah, they look amazing. They do have rarities as well. They also do have English channel, Turkish, Spanish channel, and Russian Discord with Telegram. We have their story over here. I'm not going to get into that. Welcome to family, 120 plus characteristics with different attributes, and in total there are 10,000 NFTs. Will be minted by AI to give each individual character a gangster a unique appearance. The more gangster you control, the more territories you can capture, and the greater your chances of winning. They also do have a game, NFT game. It's going to be crazy good. So how rare is your gangster? You have each of these attributes could be medium, rare, or legendary. So we have the body type, have head, okay, the head's going to change. We have the clothes over here, as you see, weapons with guns, katanas, and all that stuff, and accessories with masks and everything as well. So also characteristics in each of the 5 attributes are classified medium, rare, and legendary, as I said before, and the characteristics combine to give a rarity score. The higher the rarity score, the rarer of the gangster. I'm sorry, and yeah, it's going to be costing more. It's going to be costing a lot more than the others if it's way more rarer. So have the roadmap, 24 hours mint, pre-sale of 1,500 NFTs. After the first round, 3,000 NFTs list on Rarity Tools. Second round, 24 hours after the first round, is going to be listing on the app Radar. And after that, 24 hours after the the first round, it's going to be the second with the 2,500 NFTs. So late December 2021. We scroll a bit down. Early January of the new year, after sold out, 3% of the sales is allocated, put into the community pool contests for pool funds, 5% of sales to charity. Again, Gang Club release special airdrops for gang holders, merchandise store, merchandise giveaways, and a lot more with the game information and the first look of the overall game. Also, we have here the first quarter of 2022 information about the gang token, game alpha plus beta testing, and game marketplace with special airdrops. After that, we are going to have play to earn, the game release in the second quarter of 2022, transfer Gang Club into the game, new game modes, announcement, new merch, all that stuff. and also 10% of the resales income is going to be going to charity. So about the game, know your enemy, make strategic decisions, play to earn game. You're going to need to get firstly NFTs, and after you get the NFTs, you're going to put them into the game and play with them. Dynamic PvP and PvE battles, so player versus player and player versus AI. So earn respect, money, and in-game currency to build an empire. Each character possesses their own unique abilities. So as you guys can see over here, someone is smaller than other with different characteristics. So amazing. You can collect perks and abilities to level up your team and all that stuff. So you're going to see something like this in the game with HP, power, shooting, speed, and authority. So as you guys can see, this is a medium. Become the leader of your gang and go to war with rivals, build a collection and a team, and the overall game is going to be crazy good. Also, if you guys have any questions, you can go ahead over here or on the website at the frequently asked questions. And we also have the team over here with their telegrams and twitters. Amazing. So I highly suggest you guys going and following them on Twitter first, because they do tweet from time to time and give every update that's going on. And also join the Telegram group if you are English channel, join the English channel. If you are from Russia or Spain or Turkey, join the accordingly channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. All the links for the Age of Games will be down in the description, as well as the pre-sale and whitelist link. So that being said, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your holidays, and I'm going to catch